Hi, my name's Amy. I'm the onboarding manager at Ablestar, and today I'm going to show you how to bulk edit Shopify product URLs with our app. It's possible that your product handles might be named differently than your product titles, and Ablestar Bulk Editor allows you to modify all of those handles at once to match the product title in bulk, which means your store will be more consistent and less confusing to your customers. Let's get started on the dashboard. I'm going to open up Ablestar Bulk Product Editor to get started, and we can click on the Start an In-App Edit option. Once you have your filters applied to a smaller set of data, I'm going to use my retro filter. You're going to click to Edit Products. And you're going to search in the first field for handle. And we're going to put the How to Edit as Set Text to value. And then instead of entering something in this field, we're going to add a dynamic value. We're going to tell the system to pull in the title to match the title field. And then we're going to click Add Dynamic Field. And we also want to make sure that we create web redirects to the new handles here. And then you'll see the preview here in the bottom of what's going to change. And if that looks good to you, you're going to click to Run Edit and wait for it to process. You can cancel while it's in process, but this one went very quickly. So if you made a mistake at all, you can go ahead and click Undo to redo and revert the change completely. So that's a nice bonus. And that's how easy it is to use Ablestar Bulk Editor to update handles. You can try this out today for free by downloading Ablestar Bulk Editor from the Shopify App Store. And make sure to get in touch with us if you need anything. If you have any questions or if you need assistance, we're so happy to help. Just reach out anytime to the support team 24/7 with questions.